Hey guys, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. This is just going to be a really fast video to show you how to get dried pine sap off of your vehicle. If you live in the South like I do, or anywhere under pine trees, then you get sap. If you don't get it off right away, it dries up and it turns into really ugly stuff like this. This is dried pine sap, and it's bad enough when it's wet. When it dries on, I used to have to try and scrape it off, but a paint and body person told me to use lacquer thinner, which is this stuff right here. You can buy it at any box store or hardware store, and it doesn't hurt the paint. Don't use a ton. Get you a microfiber cloth, wet it a little bit, and rub on there, and it'll take it right off. So we're just gonna dab it on the spot. Going to start rubbing just a little bit of pressure, and if the lacquer thinner dries up, that's fine, you can get some more. But look at that. It's like magic, and it's gone. I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, here's some old sap that's been there a while. A little lacquer thinner on it. Trying not to get it more than just the spot. And you gotta work it sometimes. Make sure you got enough lacquer thinner on your little rag. My wife hates that term, rag. She says that's a washcloth. Like, well, my mom called it a rag, so I call it a rag. Gonna get a little bit more. Work it till it's smooth. No more sap. Now, I would recommend washing your car after doing this, and definitely wash your hands after doing this. But this sure beats take it somewhere to get it detailed. And you can do it at your home, in your driveway, in your garage, at your own time. Like I said, just a quick video to show you how to get sap off of your car, and just a couple tips. This is only for the metal part of the car. If you use it on the plastic, it'll mess that up, so don't get that on there. Also, make sure you use lacquer thinner and not like mineral spirits or paint thinner or paint remover, okay? Because that can hurt your finish on your car. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.